Hi guys, my name is Ritesh and I'm a product designer. In this video, we are going to talk about Figma Agent. Figma just give the access to all the designer to use AI Agent. Basically, in this video, I will help you to find the real use cases, like what we can do it with the Figma Agent. So I will tell you the step by step. So one step is like variation, second was like mobile to build the desktop app, and some another variation. For example, you got the screenshot and you want the editable version for that screenshot, so you can do it easily with Agent. So how you can do it, I will show you that. Just I have created the variation of this screen. I asked to Agent to build the variation, so he built the three options for me. I can select one of them from here. So like this is really good, like this is the real use cases. For example, when I was working in some kind of product, I show some design to my stakeholder. He always asks for the like variations of the same designs. So I think this is the game changer for designer to work on various idea in one go. So yeah, so this is the one thing we can do it with the Agent. And for example, you can see like the Google icon is not correct. This something weird is happened. So we can ask like from Agent to so create a Google icon here. So it will take 1 minute to give the Google icon here. Oh, now we can see here Agent give the icon. Second thing is, for example, I want the mobile application is ready. Now what I have to do is I have to build the website for this application. So what I do is I go to this page, I will extend whole, so where Agent will understand like what kind of UI we have make in the apps, and this will make for you the web version. So just select the frame. It will take some time, but it will build for you. So yeah, Agent is making the editable version. Let's see what he have created for us. Yeah, it's really weird what Agent is created for us. Yeah, it's weird. Let's give the feedback. Didn't like it. Extra version. Yeah, you can see the did really good, like decent work. Some spacing issue here and there, but yeah, did really good job compared to before. So card is also good. Oh yeah, this followed our design system, but this color coming from where I don't know. I think it's coming from this UI. That's the thing that okay, button is also coming from here. Nice. Yeah, it's does really good job compared to before. If we give the more feedback, Agent will work accordingly. For example, here we have some spacing issue. Let's ask to fix it. For example, there is some spacing issues. Fix it. Oh, now you can see it's fixed. He's fixed the spacing. So yeah, this is a really nice job he does. Let's ask one more thing. Can you give us 3 variation? Let's see. So this is a really good move for designers to experiment with multiple ideas in few minutes. So nice, he built the variation for us. Let's see. Oh yeah, 3 variation looks very clean, not added much colors. Here it's coming from orange tone, it's a dark theme. Yeah, quite good. But I am liking this one. This is too good compared to others. This is all depend on your taste, what you're liking or what you're disliking. This I'm judging based on the UI, not from the UX standpoint of view. So yeah, go to Movin and find any screenshot you want editable version. For let's do it some complex one. I think this is good. Make a copy, go to your Figma canvas and paste it here, and ask agent, can you build the, I'm 100% sure agent will give the editable version. Oh yeah, see, we get the editable version. Still Figma is cooking, but not up to mark. But yeah, it did really basic job. Let's give the feedback. Navbar, let's see. I think you have to give the screenshot, the frame link, then he will understand. This is the screenshot of UI. Let's see. It does a good job, like compared to before. It's a decent work. We can edit, everything is editable here. Nice. So let's ask to agent to find the inconsistency. For example, oh, did he find the use cases? Okay, here they give the, okay, quick priority summary, priority issue, OTP code mismatch. Okay, that is critical. Get OTP 5 digits instead of 10. It's critical. Screen 3111 out of pilot. Okay, this is nice. 33. Okay, we will check it. Onboarding heading, accent color inconsistent across screens. Okay, so nice. So basically they judge based on the UI point of view. Oh, let's ask to build the next flow for this screen. Can you, let's see what he will build. Entering the number, we will redirect to verification screen. This is correct. After verifying, we will go to home page. There we can select see, explore the plants. Okay, this is a detail page. Okay, like one of them we can select and we click on the add to cart. Okay, and place to checkout, track your order. Oh nice, how it's easy to visualize what is the next step. Nice job. By the way, this is really nice. So this is all in this video. Hope you like it. If you have any feedback or suggestion, please comment below. Okay, take care guys, see you.